My name is Eric Cole. I work for Woolpert Incorporated. Our corporate office is out of Dayton, Ohio, and we're a architectural engineering and photogrammetry GIS firm. In my role, I work mostly with the aerial LiDAR sensors and with the traditional ground survey staff. And because of that, we need to stay on top of the technology, and so we come out and spend a lot of time with the Leica guys and look at the new sensors and the new things that are coming on the market and how they're going to apply to our work. There's a lot of workshops that are put on by people in the industry like myself, and then there's also a lot of workshops put on by the vendors, by Leica and by some of the other staff that are actually part of Hexagon. And that's what makes it possible for us to learn about the new things that are coming in line. The benefits to the breakout sessions are just being able to learn more about what other people are doing. Every company uses the technology in the way that best suits them, but there may be other people that use the same systems or the same software, the same technology in a different way than we do, and we can share information with them. They can share information with us, and in the end, we all learn a lot more. Their level of knowledge is fantastic. A lot of the guys we've known, on the Leica side for quite some time. We've been working with them for a long time. They're very familiar with us, we're familiar with them, and they're top notch. They do a great job working with us. I've been attending several of the general sessions as well. Again, those are more of the sessions where you're really learning a lot. Again, you're sharing information, and that's a lot of what, for me, a lot of what this conference is about. It's about sharing information and learning, sharing information that I have and learning from other people, how they're approaching the challenges in their business. For me, the tech part is an important part of the conference experience because I'm learning a lot more about Hexagon than I've ever known just by coming here to the tech park. Again, going back for my industry, my profession is the aerial surveying, photogrammetry, traditional surveying, and so we're very familiar with Leica and Intergraph software, those types of things, but there's so much more that Hexagon is involved in that I was never aware of until now, and I'm beginning to see things that Hexagon can offer that will benefit other aspects of our business that I never even knew existed. On the technology side, it's definitely going to help us because there are things that I'm seeing here today that I know can apply to our industry, to our profession, and make us a stronger firm and a more competitive market, which is going back talking about the economy and thinking forward. If you can't come up with a better way to be competitive, you're really going to be, as they would say, behind the eight ball, right? You're going to just kind of fall away. You've got to be out there, you've got to be a leader, you've got to have the competitive edge, and the technology and people are the two things that get you there, and this is where we get the technology.